Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm making the first recipe from the cookbook that Disney sent me. This is their official Disney Parks cookbook. And today I'm making Disney's loaded potato soup. This one was so simple and yet so delicious. You all are going to love this, and it's so easy to put together. Now I'm using bacon here, and if you didn't want to use bacon like regular pork bacon, you can use turkey bacon. So you want to go in with half of a pound of that, and we're going to let that cook, render out in there. We want it to get really nice and crispy. So you want to do this over a medium heat. Let it take its time, let it do its thing, and once it's nice and crisp, you're going to remove it. You want to keep back that bacon fat in there. We're going to use that. If you wanted to get rid of the sediments in there, you can do that also. And then we're going to add in carrots, onion, and celery, half cup each, diced. Now this recipe, I actually halved it. It usually serves 6, but I made it and it serves 2 for lunch and dinner. So you're going to cook those aromatics until they're translucent and tender. And then you'll go in with potatoes. Now you're going to use 2 large russet and 2 red potatoes or 2 Yukon gold potatoes, diced. And just give this a mix. Once it's cooked for about 5 minutes, add in 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to mix that in and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to cook that flour because it's raw, so you want to make sure it's cooked properly. And you see how the potato has absorbed that fat that we had in there. So if you think you need a little more fat, just add in some avocado oil. Now we're going to go in with 3 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth or vegetable stock or vegetable broth. In goes half of the bacon that we cooked. Give that a mix. You want to taste the sauce and season with salt and pepper to taste. I'm using freshly cracked black pepper. It does make a difference. And give this a mix and bring it up to a simmer. We're going to allow this to simmer until the potatoes are cooked. And you want it to look like this consistency here. You don't want this to be too runny because we still have to add in heavy cream. So you want to cook it down until it's nice and thick like this. You can mash down on some of the potatoes to thicken the soup further. And then we'll add in that heavy cream. So I put in the heavy cream and I'm just going to give it a mix. The regular recipe calls for 4 cups of heavy cream, but I found that was a little too much. So I just adjusted the ingredients to suit my preference. And all you have to do is plate, and then we're going to garnish with some of the bacon, some chives, a dollop of sour cream, and some shredded cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Stay tuned for many more recipes out of this amazing cookbook. I will be making more and more of them throughout the year as we progress. So you can find the book on Amazon, and if I find it, I'll link it for you in the description box so you all can purchase it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.